I'm having issues getting the 8K edited, guys. I can't. Software is expensive for that stuff. That's just not right. It's so new. I can only find Adobe Pro Premiere. Very expensive. Well, see what we can do. I can put them unedited up on 8K, and I gotta play inside the. Found a YouTube creator I gotta play with. We'll see what happens. Hey guys, how you doing, Daddy-O? Oh, let's see how trees are coming in. Oh, we got a squirrel here too. I haven't been able to feed a squirrel in all day yesterday. It's a little one. The kits are all over the place. The mamas and they're not coming out. Come on down, guys. I have to back off from these guys. Another one. I hear ya. Trying to get some decent 8K footage, but I'm not getting anywhere. Y'all come down. What are you doing, little girl? Want another peanut? Did you taste the peanut? Do you want another one?